Hi, today I'm going to give you a quick tip about how to get more life out of your sandpaper. Now, I'm using this hook and loop type of sandpaper that you can just attach to the bottom of your sander. This is a Ryobi sander, which I think is very handy to use. Right now, I am actually sanding pretty new wood. So if you've ever sanded wood that you just cut down, you will find that your sandpaper will get bogged down with sap and stuff like really pretty quickly. As you can see, it makes it so that it's not really doing its job. What I've learned is that if you take your sandpaper and you crinkle it up and just kind of abuse it a little bit, and you can get a lot of that sap and unwanted debris that is stuck on your sandpaper off, and then you can just use your sandpaper again. I've used it up to 4 times, which really has saved me a lot of money. I wish I figured this out earlier. Now, different sandpaper will probably withstand this abuse of wrinkling it all up better than others, depending on the brand. But as you can see, it has a lot more life to it. I can just stick it back on my sander and sand away. Again, I will sand for a while, and then when it seems to be not doing what I would like it to, I will then take it off, crimple it all up, and peel off a lot of the hunks that are on it. So I hope that this saves you money and you won't have to go to the store as often to buy sandpaper. And let me know how it works for you. Please check out my other videos. And I now have an affiliate website, so I will be sharing the items that I like to use. Thank you. Bye for now.